I'm Aaliyah Smith. I'm 11 years old.
I'm Brian Smith Jr. I'm 9 years old.
I'm AJ Smith. I'm 12 years old.
You get in there?
All right, load up.
Wow. Oh, it looks on the Google Earth and it's barricaded. Going back, you walk there's a woodland.
Fire.
There's a landfill over here, but then there's a reservoir over there. So the Mary Woodland Reservoir. Two big.
Fire.
I hit it!
Fire. What y'all waiting on? The gun empty.
Oh!
Fire. 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 All right, unload and show clear.
Every shot, that finger comes right off the trigger. You can't get. I can't get the guys that I.
All right, load up. Fire. All right, unload, show clear.
Cut up doing surgery. That's full of shit. I'm sorry.
That's all right, man. Yeah, she thinks she's something.
So should I hire a square than you?
25 seconds. Shooters on the line. Is the line ready? The line is ready. Watch your target. Unload, hold this 11, make the line safe. Line is safe.
3 to the head, ready. Fire! Oh, don't tell me Aaliyah beat Mariah. Aaliyah beat Mariah. Oh my goodness. Well, Brian got them all up there, but Aaliyah, no shooting, barrel dipping, beat Mariah. All right, we got to improve this. All right, 3 to the head again. Ready. Fire. Three to the head again. Remember, focus. Lean forward. Put them shoulders towards the threat. Fire! Fire! All right, Mariah's focusing now. She's bringing it in close. All right, this is YouTube. Fire! That's what I'm talking about.